Hi, I'm Jeff Mendoza. I'm a licensed esthetician and the proud owner of Skin Factory in Pasadena, California. What makes my business stand out is my focus on offering custom facials that are tailored to meet each client's unique skin needs. I take the time to understand my clients' skin concerns and goals, and I create personalized treatment plans to help them achieve their best skin. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I bring a deep knowledge and passion for skincare to every session. And at Skin Factory, it's not just about getting a facial, it's about receiving a customized, relaxing, and effective treatment that leaves your skin looking and feeling its best. Use the DermeLuxx Pro by Zemits, which is an advanced skincare device that combines multiple technologies to deliver exceptional results. The DermeLuxx Pro includes features like HydroDermabrasion, oxygen infusion, and LED light therapy. And this allows me to address a wide range of skin concerns effectively. And the versatility of this device makes it a valuable addition to my practice, as it enhances my ability to provide top quality treatments to my clients. The quality of the DermeLuxx Pro is really impressive. So it's built to last, and it has a sturdy construction that ensures reliability during each treatment. And the performance is consistently excellent, which is crucial for delivering the best results to my clients. The device is user-friendly and efficient, making it easier for me to focus on providing the best possible care. And overall, the DermeLuxx Pro meets and exceeds my expectations in terms of quality and performance. Clients have experienced such great results with the DermeLuxx Pro, and one memorable case involved a client who had never had a facial or followed a skincare routine before, and her skin was dry, dull, and in need of some serious TLC. So we started with monthly DermeLuxx Pro treatments and then a simple skincare routine that I recommended. So over a few months, her skin underwent a dramatic transformation, and it became much more hydrated, smooth, and radiant. And she was thrilled with the improvement and felt much more confident about her appearance. So I have several before and after photos that highlight these amazing results, which I'd be happy to share. One of the cases I'm most proud of involved a client who had never taken care of her skin before. And she was in her early 40s and felt that her skin looked tired and lifeless. So we began with monthly DermeLuxx Pro treatments, and we focused on rehydrating and revitalizing her skin. I also provided her with a basic skincare routine to follow at home. So over time, her skin's condition improved dramatically, and it went from being dehydrated and rough to hydrated and glowing. And she received a lot of compliments from friends and family, which really boosted her confidence significantly. Seeing her transformation and knowing that I played a part in her journey to healthier skin was incredibly rewarding. DermeLuxx Pro allows me to treat a variety of skin concerns effectively. This includes dry and dehydrated skin, which often feels tight and looks flaky. Also oily and congested skin, which can lead to breakouts and blackheads, as well as dull skin that lacks radiance and looks tired. And sun damage, which can cause hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and uneven texture. The combination of HydroDermabrasion, oxygen infusion, and LED light therapy in the DermeLuxx Pro helps rejuvenate and restore the skin, making it look healthier and more vibrant. To enhance the results of the DermeLuxx Pro treatments, I use professional grade products from Lemieux and Dermalogica. These brands offer high quality formulations that complement the advanced technology of the DermeLuxx Pro, and it provides deep hydration, nourishment, and protection to the skin. And then for home care, I recommend products from Skin Better With, and this brand offers a range of effective and scientifically backed skincare solutions that help maintain and enhance the results achieved in the treatment room. And by combining the DermeLuxx Pro with these reputable skincare brands, I can ensure that my clients receive comprehensive and effective skincare both during and after their treatments. DermeLuxx Pro treatment is included in my custom facial packages. I offer two options, an 80-minute facial for $169 and 100-minute custom facials for $199. So these treatments are designed to provide a complete and luxurious experience, and it addresses multiple skin concerns as well, and just in one session. The DermeLuxx Pro plays a key role in these facials, delivering advanced skincare benefits that leave the skin looking and feeling its best. The DermeLuxx Pro treatment takes about 35 minutes. However, I usually incorporate it into my 80 or 100-minute custom facial. So this allows me to provide a comprehensive skincare experience that includes cleansing, exfoliation, extraction, hydration, massage, and protection. The extended facial time ensures that clients receive the full benefits of the DermeLuxx Pro treatment, along with other essential skincare steps, resulting in a really transformative experience. I recommend the DermeLuxx Pro treatment once a month for optimal results, and most clients notice a significant improvement in their skin after just one session. But for sustained benefits, regular treatments are essential. I offer treatment packages that include 3 or 5 sessions, which provide a more affordable option for clients who want to commit to a longer-term skincare regimen. With consistent monthly treatments, clients can achieve and maintain healthier, more radiant skin over time. Typically see noticeable results immediately after just one treatment with the DermeLuxx Pro. They often report an improvement in their skin's texture, hydration, and just the overall radiance right away. And the skin feels smoother, it looks more vibrant, and is also better hydrated. These immediate results can be very encouraging for clients as they can see the benefits of the treatment right after their session. So with regular monthly treatments, these results continue to improve. That leads to long-term enhancements in skin health and appearance. The support and training provided by Zemits have been outstanding. Before the device even arrived, I received a comprehensive video training that allowed me to familiarize myself with the DermeLuxx Pro. And this was incredibly helpful in ensuring that I was fully prepared to start using the device as soon as it arrived. Additionally, Zemits offers Zoom training sessions that you can schedule after receiving the product. And these sessions are conducted by knowledgeable trainers who can answer any questions and provide further insights into maximizing the device's capabilities. The combination of pre-arrival video training and live Zoom sessions made the entire process smooth and efficient, allowing me to confidently incorporate the DermeLuxx Pro into my practice. There are several factors that motivated me to choose Zemits over other brands. Firstly, the price point of the DermeLuxx Pro is very reasonable, making it an excellent investment for my business. And the sleek design of the device is also a big plus. It looks great in my treatment room, and I don't feel the need to hide it away. The design is modern and professional, which really complements the aesthetic of my space. Additionally, the cost effectiveness of the serums used with the device is another significant advantage. Unlike other brands that can cost up to $60 per treatment, Zemits serums go a long way, making it more economical to offer high-quality treatments to my clients. Overall, Zemits provides a perfect balance of quality, affordability, and aesthetics, making it an ideal choice for my skincare practice.